how to buy your first house in Toronto in 2024. These home buying tips will streamline your home buying process by a lot. So, what are you waiting for? Hi, my name is Tadlika Sehgal, and a lot of clients have been telling me that they want to buy a house in Toronto, but they don't know anything about it. Like, I'm here for a reason. In this video, I will give you first-time home buyer tips and advise and help you move into Toronto seamlessly. By the way, be sure to watch till the end. There is a bonus tip I've kept safe for you there. Without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 5, why Toronto? Toronto is a fantastic place to live with so much to offer. Its vibrant culture is one of the best in the world, with over 140 languages spoken and almost half the population born outside Canada. This diversity is reflected in the city's neighborhoods, food, festivals, and events. Toronto also has a strong economy, contributing 20% to Canada's GDP and generating about $450 billion every year. For those buying a house for the first time, Toronto is appealing with its diverse job market and exciting attractions like Royal Ontario Museum, Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. The city has 50 kilometers of beautiful waterfront with beaches, parks, marinas, and trails. Whether you are a professional, student, or family, Toronto's culture, job opportunities, and scenic waterfront make it a great place to call home. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the real estate market in Toronto. There are a few main trends that run through this Toronto real estate market. The average price of a home in June 2024 is $1,217,648. 7,110 new homes have been listed in the last 28 days, and most of them stay on the market for 18 days on an average. The average price of a home sold in Toronto fell by 1% from the previous year to $1,128,100 in April 2024. The price of a single family home went up to 0.2% to $1,363,700, but the price of a condo went down by 1.4% to $695,000. Different people have different predictions for the rest of 2024. Some say home prices will go up to 6% in the Greater Toronto area, while others say they will go down by 3%. Because of the market, it's so unpredictable, it's smart to talk to a real estate agent or a financial advisor before buying a house for the first time. Coming in at number 3, what are the steps for buying a house in Toronto? Step 1, put money aside for a down payment. To begin, figure out how much you need to save. You don't have to put down 20% of the home's price to avoid mortgage insurance. You can put down less. Set a savings goal and look into ways to reach it, such as cutting costs, making more money, saving more. Make big changes to your lifestyle to save more, like cutting back on spending on things like aren't necessary. Set up automatic saves and look for other ways to make money, like freelancing or getting a side job. Set your savings goals in order of importance to make sure you regularly save money for your down payment. You can reach your goal of owning a home faster if you save money wisely. Step 2, make your income and credit score better. Always pay your bills on time because that's the best way to build credit. You might want to get a protected credit card to help build or fix your credit. Your score can also go up if you use someone else's credit card properly after becoming an authorized user of it. Pay off your debts to make your credit score better. Get a credit building loan and ask for a higher credit amount if you can. By taking these steps, you will improve your credit score, which will make you more appealing as a mortgage applicant and help you get better mortgage terms. Step 3, make sure you can afford the mortgage. Online mortgage affordability calculators can help you figure out how much house you can afford, because on your income, your costs, and the mortgage rate you want to pay, look at your present finances and your plans for the future. Most lenders want to see a debt to income ratio below 36%, with no more than 28% of the income going towards mortgages. This will make sure that you can easily handle your home payments and other financial obligations. When you're buying your first home, knowing how much of a mortgage you can afford helps you set realistic goals and keep your finances in check. Step 4. Look for a neighborhood. Do a lot of research on possible neighborhoods. Check out neighborhood websites to learn about parks, recreation, events, and how the government works in your area. If you have kids, look at the schools and daycares in the area. Go to neighborhood in person and walk around to get a feel for it. Use websites like areavibes.com or niche.com to look into crime numbers. You should think about things like how close it is to work, what services it has, and how safe it is. Taking these things into account will help you find a neighborhood that fits your needs and provides a safe place for you and your family to live. It's always a good idea to talk to real estate agents or financial advisors before making a big choice like buying a house. Moving on to number 2, working with real estate agents. It can be very helpful to work with a real estate agent, especially if you are buying a home for the first time. Real estate agents have a lot of useful skills and knowledge about the area. They know about market conditions and trends, so they can give you personalized advice. They can search through a huge database of listings, including homes that aren't usually open to the public. This lets them find homes that meet your needs and set up viewings. Their ability to negotiate and knowledge of the market will help you get the best deal possible. During the whole process, they will be your advocate, a real estate agent who makes the process of buying a home easier by taking care of the paperwork and logistics, which makes the whole thing less stressful. A real estate agent's knowledge of the area is very helpful for people who are buying their first home. They can help you find the perfect place to live by giving you an insight at communities and neighborhoods. The process of buying a house can be made easier by their large professional network, which includes mortgage lenders, home inspectors, contractors, lawyers, and many more. If you work with a reputable realtor, you can be sure that you will be treated fairly and professionally because they are bound by a strict code of ethics. Finally, a real estate agent can save you time, help you get the best price, and put you in touch with the right people to make your first home buying experience go smoothly and successfully. Last but not the least, at number 1, let's talk about the cost of living in Toronto. The average monthly utility cost for 2-person 85 meters flat is about $251, while a single person in a 45 meters studio pays around $165. The general average utility bill is $383.80 for groceries. One person typically spends $320 to $360 per month. Transportation cost includes local transport ticket at $2.47 and a monthly pass at $112. These figures can vary based on lifestyle, location, personal habits, so it's advisable to calculate based on your specific needs and consumption. These are the things you should be aware of when buying a house for the first time. Let's talk about the bonus tip as promised earlier: how to save money to buy your first home. The real estate market in Toronto is very competitive, so you need to be smart about how you spend your money. If you're buying a house for the first time there, save money, make budget based on your income and savings. Aim to save for a bigger down payment so that your mortgage payment is lower. To get a lower interest rate, you need to improve your credit score. Other important steps including figuring out closing costs, picking the right spot, and getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Hiring a real estate agent can help you find the right home and get a better price. All these points have to be considered and worked upon. Paying off your bills and cutting back on spending can also help your finances. Also, thinking about getting a side job can help you save money faster. Ultimately, the best way to find a house in Toronto are to plan, be disciplined, and be patient. If you would like to know more about the Toronto Real Estate Board, the market trends, and how to get your first home seamlessly, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials to keep yourself updated. If you found value and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen, hit the like button. If you found this video informative, Once again, I'm Tarlika Sehgal, a real estate expert, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.